Hello again, guys. Today we're gonna restore and upgrade a Matchbox Corvette. That's a worn car. The paint job is really bad and it has some dents. Um, Also, the windows are painted. We're gonna clean them with thinner. So let's find some wheels for the Corvette. I think to use these wheels to make it a bit modern. So let's measure it. Let's drill the rivets and look inside. So I don't want to squeeze it that much because sometimes it hurt the casting and bend the metal. So here I'm backing up with my hand. So let's see inside the car. Directly we see rust on the wheel holder. Interior looks okay, and the windows are painted. We have to grit them and then polish them. By the way, I'm sorry guys, I forgot to film the polishing section. So I chose to paint all the cars silver. I always paint the car with airbrush without base coat. Since these cars are so small, it may cause some problems when we try to assemble it. Here I'm using car clear coat because it's really handle all the situations. It hardens very well actually. Well, I must admit it looks really well. I think silver was a great idea for this car, and generally paint job looks okay, but I just wanted to polish it just a bit to remove the dust. I will also polish the base a bit to match the general look. I'm extremely happy how this car turned out. It's shiny but not that much. So let's paint the exhaust and lights. I always use Sharpies. It's easy to handle. It allows to correct it with any type of alcohol. Orange Sharpie to paint turn signals. Red Sharpie to paint tail lights. So I sanded it with 600 grit first and 1000 grit afterward. Well, the windows have some dents, but I don't want to give it too much time because it's not gonna be look like new anyways. So I'm gonna polish it with some car polish. So let's reassemble everything. So let's check if it's worked properly. It looks like it. Let's screw it back. Well, at the end, I'm really happy with the results. Earlier, I have doubts about the color and interior combo, but it really worked for me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's box it and enjoy the view. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.